There's a trend in the building industry that's eye-catching, particularly in neighborhoods close to the water. Sure, metal roofs look good and fit the aesthetic of coastal communities, but there's more to them that meets the eye. Metal roofs are energy efficient, sustainable, and outperform other roof types when caught in the path of nature's fury.
When you talk about performance of a metal roof, you're talking about a few different aspects. You're talking about how the roof handles in a hostile environment when it comes to sun and ultraviolet rays. These days, the engineered coatings can last well into 40, 50, 60 years with very minimal fade, so the color remains true for a long, long time. You have an aspect of energy efficiency as well. These roofs reflect a lot of light rather than absorbing the heat that creates solar heat gain in your attic. As far as the structural aspect of performance, environments like Florida specifically, these roofs are engineered to very high winds due to the hurricanes that we get. These roofs can stay attached in a catastrophic wind event well over 120 miles an hour. From a sustainability standpoint, metal roofs are recyclable. It's believed that about 11 million tons annually of asphalt shingles end up in landfills. Metal roofs can be recycled once they're removed. When the metal roof comes to the owner, it's already got a significant amount of recycled content. An aluminum roof has up to 90% recycled content already, and a steel-based roof could have anywhere from 10 to 15% recycled content.
With so many perks, one might think metal roofs come at a steep price, but the reality is they're more cost-effective than other options on the market.
When someone makes a decision to put a metal roof on their structure, they're looking at longevity. The total economic cost of a metal roof over the lifespan of that roof is greater than many comparative roof styles. Asphalt shingles have to be replaced every 15 to 20 years, and with a metal roof system these days, you could get 40 to 50 years out of it, maybe beyond. That's 2 roofs per one that you're looking to replace compared to asphalt shingles.
Metal roofs give our customers the ability to save money on insurance, save money on energy, because they're highly reflective, they're very high wind resistant, they last a long time, so you don't have to worry about replacing your roof every 15 to 20 years, and they're beautiful.
A leading force in the industry, Gulf Coast Supply and Manufacturing offers premium metal roofing to meet all building needs throughout the southeastern United States. Made here in the U.S. at one of their manufacturing branches in Sebring, Florida, company leaders keep a watchful eye on manufacturing to ensure the highest quality. Gulf Coast Supply also partners with top-notch vendors like Valspar for premium coating materials that guarantees longevity for every roof they make.
I think what makes our products superior to our competitors is this Fort Myers test facility. From really our laboratories and developing the products, testing them on coastal conditions in our accelerated laboratories, the fact that we have access to over 100,000 panels on a test fence that's exposed to all different types of conditions, from salt spray coming off of the ocean to the intense Florida sunlight, really gives us some differentiation. We can look at every unique raw material that goes into our coatings to ensure they're going to meet the color and fade warranty that our customers require.
We choose to work with Gulf Coast Metal because for years we were trying to find a metal manufacturer that possess the same values that we do. Their concentration to quality and customer service are second to none. They match what we want to deliver to our customers. So when we found Gulf Coast, we never looked back. We've been using them for all of our metal projects ever since. Our Gulf Coast roofs did very well through Hurricane Irma. We did not have a single failure. We didn't have any maintenance callbacks, we didn't have any leaks, and none of them experienced any damage. It was really kind of exciting to be able to drive through your hometown and know that the roofs you installed performed through a Category 3 hurricane.
Our mission at Gulf Coast Supply is to be a market leader in the markets that we do business in, but within that, we are making believers out of customers who choose metal roofs one customer at a time. And we do that through great products and great service. These roofs last so long that the owner is with them typically generations. We are there when they do have a question. We are there if they have an issue. So service after the sale for us is as big as the sale itself.
To learn more about metal roofs and what Gulf Coast Supply can do for you, call or click today.